Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Mercy, and today I'm going to get my eyebrows done. I'm getting eyebrows tattooed. I've been wanting to get eyebrows tattooed for a long time, and finally I found someone that will do it for me. So I'm just leaving my house right now, about to drive off. My appointment is at 9 o'clock and it's 8:15, it's something. Yeah, in the instructions that I was given about preparing my skin and getting ready for the procedure, the lady said I can use a numbing cream from the pharmacy. Yeah, so that's what you can see on my eyebrows right now. And the name of the cream is Numb It, and it's just a 5% anesthesia. It got lignocaine 2.5% and prelocaine 2.5%. So you are supposed to apply the cream 1 hour or 45 minutes before your procedure. Mimi sipendi uchungu na ndo hiyo nimeeka. I'm excited, but I'm also scared and nervous. Let's go and see what I'm going to end up with at the end of the procedure. Well guys, I've just arrived and this is Pure Brows and Massage Therapy. It's raining, so I'm not going to be recording outside.
Hi Mercy, my name is Tracy. Welcome to my small tattoo studio.
Okay, so I'm here guys. Look how nice this setup is. Beautiful. And that's my beautiful beautician there. Hi. So the gel that I applied on my eyebrows has dissolved. It's not stingy, it's not itchy, so I reckon it's going to be just fine. Yeah, so this is eyebrows before. I'm going to show you guys eyebrows after the magic.
So she already put her numbing cream on, which is so great. Then we're gonna do the shape first. We discuss about the shape, and then we discuss about the color. Then we can start the tattoo and see you guys in 3 hours later.
So how was I feeling through the whole process? I felt like a burning sensation, but the pain was bearable, and we kept loading me with the numbing cream that I showed you guys earlier on, and I don't know if it was helping or making the situation worse, but yeah, this is the final look. I will have touch up in 6 weeks, see if we need to adjust anything, maybe the thickness, the color, or the shape of the brow, but so far so good. Highly recommend.